What is Ethereum? According to the Ethereum website, Ethereum is a decentralized platform that runs smart contracts. This is an accurate summary, but in my experience, when first explaining Ethereum to friends, family, and strangers, it helps to compare Ethereum to Bitcoin, since a lot of people have at least heard about Bitcoin before. This beginner's guide should help those who are new to Ethereum to understand the high-level differences between the two. Comparison: simply put, Bitcoin can be described as digital money. Bitcoin has been around for 8 years and is used to transfer money from one person to another. It is commonly used as a store of value and has been a critical way for the public to understand the concept of a decentralized digital currency. Ethereum is different than Bitcoin in that it allows for smart contracts, which can be described as highly programmable digital money. Imagine automatically sending money from one person to another, but only when a certain set of conditions are met. For example, an individual wants to purchase a home from another person. Traditionally, there are multiple third parties involved in the exchange, including lawyers and escrow agents, which makes the process unnecessarily slow and expensive. With Ethereum, a piece of code could automatically transfer the home ownership to the buyer and the funds to the seller after a deal is agreed upon, without needing a third party to execute on their behalf. The potential for this is incredible. Think of the numerous applications that act as a third party to connect you with others based on some set logic, e.g., Uber, Airbnb, eBay. Many of the centralized systems we use today could be built in a decentralized manner on Ethereum. With Ethereum, you can make these transactions trustless, which opens up an entire world of decentralized applications. Decentralization is important because it eliminates single points of failure or control. This makes internal collusion and external attacks impractical. Decentralized platforms cut out the middlemen, which ultimately leads to lower costs for the user. There are a few decentralized applications I am particularly excited about. Identity error. Many websites, a person can create a digital identity on, e.g., Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. This is cumbersome to manage, and at the end of the day, you are not in full control of your information, as it is still owned by a centralized entity. With Ethereum, you can have a decentralized identity management system like a port that allows you to be in full control of your data. There is no centralized server that has access to your private data, can get hacked, edit your information, or get shut down. Right now in the US, we have credit bureaus, e.g., Experian, TransUnion, Equifax, that other institutions like banks rely on to tell them your credit. Credit bureaus can put certain groups such as international and young people at a disadvantage. Lending Club, a peer-to-peer lending platform, addresses the problem of traditional financial services relying solely on FICO scores by offering additional data points like home ownership, income, and length of employment. Ethereum applications like a port can go one step further by allowing you to control your own data, identity, and reputation. Computing power/storage. I consider all of the spare computing power and storage a regular person might have on their computer. If it is not being used, then why not make it available to someone else? It is a similar concept to renting out a spare bedroom on Airbnb. An added benefit to using a decentralized application is that there are no centralized. You can read full post on CryptoFans News, link available in text below.